going out of our apartment to check out some camera equipment. I'm excited! Here we are at Sony The Curve in Kuala Lumpur. Official. So this is the 11mm on the Sony ZV.
Okay, so there's that.
Let's see what it looks like.
Oh, so that's super wide. That's without active stabilization. Hold that.
Show it.
Yeah, it's super wide. Yeah, that's really wide.
Look how wide this is. I'm super excited because I'm about to get a Sony lens here. I'm getting the Sony 11mm 1.8, which is really good in low light, and you can see how wide it is. This is a new lens. It is super wide, and we're getting a really good deal on it. We've been comparing prices everywhere, and so far this is the greatest price. If we get a membership, which we're doing now online, we're gonna get another 30 ringgit off. How much are we getting it for?
1900 ringgit.
1900 ringgit.
Minus the 30 ringgit.
Minus 30 ringgit, so 1870 ringgit. Look how wide that is. I used to have this one as well, but it's super heavy. Yeah, very, 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 very heavy. It's so fun to vlog with this. Okay guys, I'm gonna give back the lens so I can actually buy the one in the box. I'm gonna put my kit lens back on, 16 to 50 f3.5. As you guys can see, I have my kit lens back on. Huge difference in the light. We're at the counter at the Sony store and we're about to buy the 11mm f1.8. How much? 1870. Thank you. 1870 Malaysian ringgit. 1870 is $399. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. It's official. Have a lens. So yeah, I'm super excited to use this. I'm going to make an unboxing video and then I'll be switching over to the wide lens that I just purchased from Sony. I'm about to upgrade my current vlogging setup, which is the GoPro Hero12 Black, my beloved Hero12 Black. This has actually made all of my vlogging videos, as you can see on my YouTube channel. Yeah, it did a really great job. I really appreciate you. Mwah. And without further ado, I'm gonna show you what it looks like. Okay, here it is. Box that. ASMR style. Ooh, there's the lens hood there. Here's this beautiful lens. Oh my gosh. This beautiful ultra wide lens, and I just love how sleek it looks. It's super light. Oh my gosh. Super, 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 super light. This is gonna be absolutely perfect for the Sony ZV-E10 setup. The camera's light by itself. Yeah, this is gonna be amazing. See what else is in the box, and that's it. Except the instructions are just here. I never really need to read it. It's just instructions in different languages, but let's see what this lens looks like right now. Hey guys, we're here at Kuala Lumpur Botanical Gardens. Here's the map. Matt has been here before, but he said it's a really nice place to visit.
So that's without steady shot, I believe. Oh, the nice aperture makes me look so like freaking blurry back here. It's nice. Now that's with steady shot, active stabilization. As we're walking now, definitely like crops us in a bit more, which, you know, could be nice in some cases.
So we're here at the Botanical Gardens in Kuala Lumpur. It's about 4 p.m. There's a playground for the kids, but it's completely empty. Actually, we're the only 2 people here, and this place is huge. We haven't seen anyone yet. I don't know why, but it's really, really hot right now, so that could be one reason. Pretty empty, but this place is very beautiful. So let's explore. Hey guys, so I am using the GoPro Hero12 Black and I'm gonna go down the stairs into the sunlight. I'll just talk to you guys and show you what it's like going downstairs and we're gonna head to the sunlight. And I'm gonna do the same thing with the Sony ZV-E10. So I'm gonna walk all the way to this water. Okay, so now I'm gonna head back. The sun's in my face. I don't know what it looks like behind me. And I'm gonna go up to the shade now. Going up the stairs with the GoPro Hero12 Black. Okay guys, so this is the Sony ZV-E10 and I'm in the shade, going down the stairs into the sunlight. I have the active stabilization off and now we're going into the sun. You can see the difference. How do I look? And then I'm going back. The fountain is behind me. The sun's in my face and I made it up the stairs. Alright guys, so I have the Sony ZV-E10 and the GoPro Hero12 Black side to side, and I'm gonna go in this shaded area. So it's a nice shaded little walkway with the plants, and I show you guys how they both perform in the low light. Okay, here's the shade. Back to back. Can you guys see me? Yeah, this place is really nice. Not very many people here. We saw one person. That was the first and only person we saw here. And we're coming up. Ta-da! Alright guys, so now we're in broad daylight, no shade, and as you can see there is this cute little bridge behind me and we're gonna go ahead and walk it. I have the Sony ZV-E10 with the 11mm lens, prime lens, and the GoPro Hero12 Black. We're going up the bridge, this beautiful botanical garden. It's so peaceful here. Another person, we only saw 2 people here in this huge garden. Yep. Oh, we're in a little bit of shade. Oh man, this is heavy carrying these 2. Okay, I'm in the sun, going into the shade, but you can see there's so much grass area and the bridge is there, and that's the comparison. Absolutely beautiful. So this is my new setup. I'm using the Sony ZV-E10 camera and I have the Sony 11mm aperture 1.8. So it's gonna allow a lot of light and it's a prime lens, so it's super sharp focus, and I just wanted to vlog it with you guys and show you how much it could capture in this video. It's super ultra wide. I think it is the widest lens in the market for the Sony ZV-E10, so I'm really happy I got it. And yeah, let me know what you guys think. Do you like the upgrade? Do you like what it looks like and how I look compared to the GoPro Hero 12 Black? Let me know.